If you've ever nicked yourself shaving, you already know the routine. Grab a piece of tissue, stick it on your face, and hope it doesn't fall off before you leave the house. But there's a much better way to stop shave cuts fast, and it's called a styptic agent. Today I'm breaking down what it is, why it works, and how to use it the right way. Shave cuts look tiny, but they bleed like crazy because razors sit right on top of your capillaries, the smallest blood vessels in your skin. A small nick opens one of those vessels, and it doesn't clot right away. That's why a tiny cut can bleed longer than you expect. A styptic agent is a fast-acting coagulant, basically a product that helps your blood clot instantly. Barbers have used styptic pencils for generations, and modern versions work even faster. One example is Rapid Seal, but there are many styptic products that all work on the same principle. Tissue doesn't stop bleeding, it just absorbs it. And the second you pull the tissue off, the cut usually starts bleeding again. A styptic agent works differently. It reacts with the proteins in your blood and forms a temporary seal over the cut. That seal stops the bleeding and protects the skin while it closes naturally. It's cleaner, faster, and you don't walk around with little white squares stuck to your face. Using a styptic agent is simple, but there's a right way to do it. 1. Rinse the cut. Splash the area with cool water. This slows the bleeding and clears away shaving cream or hair. 2. Pat the area dry. Don't rub, just dab it. You want the surface dry so the styptic can stick. 3. Apply the styptic agent. Use a cotton swab or your fingertip and dab a small amount directly onto the cut. You'll feel a slight sting. That's normal. It means it's working. 4. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Keep gentle pressure on the spot. The styptic forms a thin, invisible layer that stops the bleeding almost instantly. 5. Let it set. Give it 30 seconds to dry. After that, you're good to go. No tissue, no mess, no bleeding. Styptic agents aren't just for the face. They work just as well on the legs, which is great for women who shave and deal with those tiny nicks around the knees and ankles. Anywhere you shave, a styptic agent can stop bleeding fast. Styptic agents are perfect for small razor nicks, upper lip cuts, jawline and neck irritation spots, leg shaving cuts, head shaving cuts, or anytime you're in a rush. Yes, absolutely. Styptic agents have been used in barbershops for generations because they work instantly and safely. Modern versions like Rapid Seal just make the process cleaner and easier. If you shave regularly, keep a styptic agent in your bathroom. It's faster than tissue, cleaner than toilet paper, and it actually stops the bleeding instead of hiding it. I'm Scott, and that's your top tip for today.